Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepjyoti and today we are going to do question number 2 from exercise 3.5. Okay, this question is very important question, so I request everyone to watch the video properly. Okay, so here question number 2, what is given? First we'll read the question. For which value of A and B does the following pair of equations have an infinite numbers of solution? Okay, so here two equations are given. So first we are going to write the equations. That is, equations are given 2x plus 3y equal to 7. 2x plus 3y equal to 7. This is the first equation given. And the second equation is a minus b whole into x plus a plus b whole into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. This is the second equation given. Okay. Here one more condition is given. The condition is that these two equations will have infinite number of solution. Now we all know for infinite number of solution, the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Since these two equations have infinite number of solutions that is already given in the question, it means it will satisfy this equation, or it will satisfy this condition, that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Now what we have to do? We have to put the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. Here what is a1? A1 is the coefficient of x in equation number 1 and a2 is the coefficient of x in equation number 2. Similarly, b1 is the coefficient of y in equation number 1 and b2 is the coefficient of y in equation number 2. Similarly, c1 is the constant term of equation number 1 and c2 is the constant term of equation 2. Okay, so here we will first write the value of a1 and a2. Here value of a1 is 2 and value of a2 is a minus b. Similarly, value of b1 is, we can see what is the value of b1 here, 3, and value of b2 is a plus b. So first we are going to put the value of b1 and b2. Now similarly we can put the value of c1 and c2 from the equation. We can see the value of c1 is given 7 and value of c2 is given 3a plus b minus 2. Now what we have to do, with the help of these three terms we have got, that is, this first term is 2 divided by a minus b, second term we have got 3 divided by a plus b, and the third term we have got 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, with the help of these terms and with the help of this condition, what we have to do, we have to make two equations so that we can get the value of a and b. So this is the question. We have to find the value of a and b here. A and b are the unknown values, unknown terms, and we have to find the value of a and b here. Okay, to find the value of a and b, first we have to get two equations. And how to make these two equations? With the help of this condition. Okay, so here what we are going to do, first we will take term number 1, that is 2 divided by a minus b, and term number 2, that is 3 divided by a plus b. Okay, so here we can write 2 divided by a minus b is equal to, it is given 3 divided by a plus b. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to do the cross multiplication here like this. Now if we do the cross multiplication, how much we are going to get? 2 into a. So 2 into a will be how much? 2a plus 2 into b. 2b will be equal to 3 into a, 3a minus 3 into b, 3b. Okay, now from here what we can do, we can take the 3a to the left hand side and 2b to the right hand side. So if we take 3a to the left hand side, we are going to get 2a minus 3a is equal to minus 3b, then 2b to the right hand side. So it will become minus 2b. So 2a minus 3a, we are going to get minus a is equal to minus 3b minus 2b, means minus 5b. So from here we have got the value of a, that is a is equal to 5b. So we can take it as equation number 1. Now similarly we can find equation number 2. Now to find the equation number 2, what we have to do, either we can take the first term and the third term, or we can take second term and the third term. It is up to you. If you want, you can take this first term, that is 2 divided by a minus b, and the third term, that is 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. Or you can take the second term, that is 3 divided by a plus b, and the third term, that is 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. Here I will take second term and the third term. If you want, you can take first term and the third term. Ultimately, you are going to get the same result only. Okay. So here I will write the second term and the third term. So second term is 3 divided by a plus b. Okay. So second term is 3 divided by a plus b. And the third term is given, you can see the third term is given 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. So here we will write the the third term, that is 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, 3a plus b minus 2. Now what we have to do? We have to do the cross multiplication here. Okay, now if we do the cross multiplication, how much we are going to get? So 3 into 3a, so it will become 9a. Next 3 into b, so 3b minus 3 into 2, 6. Similarly here also 7 into a, we are going to get 7a plus 7 into b, 7b. Now we can take 7a to the left hand side and 3b to the right hand side. So in next step we are going to get 9a plus 7a to the left hand side. So it will become minus 7a minus 6 is equal to 7b minus 3b. So this plus 3b will go to the right hand side. So it will become minus 3b. Here 9a minus 7a. In next step we are going to get 2a minus 6 equal to 7b minus 3b. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So here we have got 4b. Now what we can do? We can put the value of a from equation number 1. So here you can see in equation number 1 we have got the value of a, that is 5b, right? We have got the value of a, that is 5b. Now we can put this value of a from equation number 1 in equation number 2. Means we are going to apply substitution method here, right? So we all know what is substitution method. We have already done many questions by using substitution method. So here we are going to put the value of a from equation number 1. So we'll write now putting value of a in equation number 2. So here we can take this equation as equation number 2. So 2 in place of a, we can write the value of a, that is 5b minus 6 is equal to 4b. Okay. So here 2 into 5b, that will be 10b minus 6 is equal to 4b. Now what we can do? We can take this 4b to the left hand side. So 10b minus 4b is equal to minus 6 to the right hand side. So it will become plus 6. Okay. So 10b minus 4b. So here the value will be 6b is equal to 6. So here ultimately we are going to get the value of b, that is 6 divided by 6, that is 1. So here we have got the value of b. Now we can put the value of b in equation number 1 so that we can get the value of a. So here again we will write now putting value of b in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is a is equal to 5b. So in place of b, we'll put the value of b, that is 1. So ultimately we have got the value of a, that is a is equal to 5. So here we have got the value of a and value of b. Okay. So hope you all have understood this question. Very easy question, right? Now what we'll do? We'll do question number 2, Roman number 2. Okay. So first we are going to read the question. This question is also very important question. Okay. So first we'll read the question. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? Okay. So here again one pair of linear equations are given And what we have to do, we have to find a value of k. So k is the unknown value here. We have to find a value of k, and one condition is given. This condition is very important. So condition is given that these two equations will have no solutions. The condition is that this pair of equation will have no solution. Now what we have to do, first we have to write the equations. Okay, so we'll write the equation first. So it is question number 2, Roman number 2. So first equation is given 3x plus y equal to 1, and the second equation is given 2k minus 1 x plus k minus 1 whole into y is equal to 2k plus 1. Okay, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Here condition is given. Okay, condition is that this pair of linear equation will have no solution. So here what we'll write, for no solution. For no solution, what is the condition? We all know. For no solution, the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So this is the condition for no solution. Okay, now what we have to do? As like question number 1, we have to put the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. Here, value of a1 is 3. That is coefficient of x from equation number 1. And value of a2, that is coefficient of x from equation number 2, that is 2k minus 1 will be equal to b1. So here b1, value of b1 is, you can see what is the value of b1 here, that is coefficient of y from equation number 1, 1. And value of b2 is, value of b2, how much? That is k minus 1 from equation number 2. Okay, coefficient of y from equation number 2, that is k minus 1. So here we'll write, in place of y, we'll write k minus 1. Now is not equal to c1 by c2. So c1 is given how much? 1, and c2 is given 2k plus 1. Okay, so here what is the unknown value here? K is the unknown value. So what we have to do? We have to put the value of k here. Okay, so sorry, we have to find the value of k here. Now to find the value of k, what we have to do? We have to take this first term. Here also we have got 3 term. Okay, the first term is 3 divided by 2k minus 1. Second term is 1 divided by k minus 1. And the third term is 1 divided by 2k plus 1. Here first term is equal to second term. Now to find the value of k, we have to take the first term and the second term. By taking first term and the second term, we can easily find the value of k here. Okay, so here in next step what we have to do? We have to take the first term and the second term. So we'll write now how much we have to do? What we have to do? We have to take the first term, that is 3 divided by 2k minus 1 will be equal to second term, that is 1 divided by k minus 1. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to cross multiply it. Now if we do the cross multiplication in the next step, how much we are going to get? 3 into k, 3k minus 3 into 1, 3. So next step we are going to write 3 into k, 3k minus 3 is equal to, next what we have to do? We have to multiply this 2k minus 1 with 1. So 1 into 2k, 2k, 1 into 1, 1. So ultimately in the right hand side we are going to get 2k minus 1. Okay, so here we can write 2k minus 1. Now what we will do? We will take the k term, that is 2k, to the left hand side. So 3k minus 2k will be equal to this constant term, that is minus 3, to the right hand side. So minus 1 minus 3 to the right hand side, it will become plus 3. So 3k minus 2k, k, and minus 1 plus 3, that will be 2. So here we have got the value of k, that is 2. So here what we have to find? We have to find the value of k. According to question, we are asked to find the value of k. So here ultimately we have got the result, that is k is equal to 2. Okay, see, very easy question, right? Very easy question. So already condition is given. Condition is given that these two equations will have no solutions, and we know for no solution what is the condition. For no solution, the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. In the next step, what we have to do? We have to just put the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. Okay, after putting this value, what we have to do? We have to take the first term and the second term, because third term is not equal to the second term, means third term we need not to consider. We have to consider here only the first term and the second term. After taking first term and the second term, just do the cross multiplication and you are going to get the result, right? So this in this video we have done question number 2 of exercise 3.5. Okay, both the question Roman number 1 and Roman number 2 we have done, and both the questions are very easy question. At the same time, these questions are very important questions. Okay, so hope you all have liked this video.